Hello again everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video we have the Breville Bold 2-slice toaster. This is the vanilla cream version. The model number for this is VTR003. This cost £25 from Argos. It has lots of good reviews, and we're just going to unbox it and give it its first use and see how it toasts. Before we give it its first use, we're just going to have a look at it. They're nice wide slots. This actually has a high lift feature that allows you to just raise the bread or bagels or whatever it is out of a little bit higher so they're easier to grab. Now these buttons, they're pretty much on all toasters, nothing really new here. This top one is a reheat button. This one is for frozen bread, and this one is the cancel button. We have browning control here. Now what you set this to should depend on the bread that you're using. For example, if it's thick and moist bread, you'll need it on a higher setting. And if it's thin and quite dry bread, you'll need it on a lower setting. So I've got 2 slices of Kingsmill 50/50. Just going to pop that one in there, that one in there, just bring it a little closer. And I'm going to set it to 3. There are 7 browning control settings, and I'm going to set it to 3. I'm going to see how that does. Now if you're like me, I don't usually leave the toaster to pop up. I'll periodically cancel and then turn them around and put them back down, because even new toasters don't usually toast evenly. So we'll see what happens. It's actually toasted it quite evenly. That's pretty good. Shame about this top bit though. But see, they do fit sideways. So if you have the longer bread, you just stick it in sideways, which I usually do anyway, to be honest. So yeah. So as it turns out, setting the browning control to 3 was just about right for the 50/50 bread. Over time, crumbs will drop through to this tray here. Just pull it out. Right. And you'll throw that in your bin. So yeah, not bad for a first use. Lots of toasters, even new ones, don't toast very evenly, but this one did. Let's hope it continues to do so. I'll put in the description below this video measurements of bits and pieces, like these slots. I'll give you some measurements on the slots so you know how big they are. And the toaster itself, if that's what interests you. I'll check the questions on Argos. I'll see what the most popular questions are. I'll put them in the description too with the answers, in case you have similar questions. So yeah, we've unboxed and used a Breville toaster from the Ball collection. Thanks for watching. Bye.